Okay, so the third reason why men are no longer marrying 40-year-olds is simply because they want a finished product. I hate to say it to you ladies, but yep, that's what y'all want. When y'all went on Kevin Samuel's channel, when you go to the Lapeef Network, you go on Just Pearly Things and all that good stuff, as a group, as a collective, right? Most women, right? And once again, ladies, I'm not talking about all. I think I'm not going to say that anymore, right? Because at this point, ladies, I'm sick and tired of y'all thinking that I'm talking about all women. I'm not, right? So moving forward, just know I'm not. If the shoe fits, wear that shit, right? So what I'm saying is simply this, right? They want a finished product, right? They will not grow with a man, right? A 40-year-old, she is established in whatever business she's going to be into or whatever career she's trying to get into. She probably already has kids. You know, she's already set in her ways. She got mad bodies. So this is a hard woman. And you know what happens when you have a hard woman who's been through trauma and a lot of bodies, right? Just like if you break a leg, right? That leg is going to heal, but it's going to be filled with calluses, right? So a woman like that, she ain't bending for nothing, right? She wants a finished product, right? So that means a man that's making six figures. But you know the funny thing is, men that make six figures, that's only 15% of the population, right? This is why only 1 out of 4 women are going to be married in 52% of women are going to be married